Hi everyone, welcome back. So in my last video, I showed you guys all the Estee Lauder stuff that my husband got for me. And I did promise you guys that I will go through everything in detail in future videos. So today I'm going to be going through and reviewing this kit. It's called their 33 Essentials Kit. I'm not sure why it's called that, but this is the box that it comes in. It has a whole bunch of stuff. I believe it has 12 things, but I'm not sure why it's called 33 Essentials Kit. 33 Beauty Essentials is a holiday exclusive and it's valued at $455, but you get it for $75 if you purchase anything from Estee Lauder. And right now, as of today, it's $60. So what's today's date? I don't know what's today's date. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in here, if it's good or not, I don't know. We're gonna check it out together, but I do love this bag. It's such a beautiful bag and it has like this gold zipper here, a little bow. It's a velvety material, so it does collect lint a lot. So you're gonna need a lint roller. But before I get started, I wanted to mention something to you guys because I got so frustrated this morning. I got these nail stickers from Ulta on sale and I was like, yay, on sale, let me get them, because I had tried nail stickers before from a friend of mine who used to sell them and they were really good. Like after I would apply a top coat on it, they would last 2 weeks. So I went ahead, I'm like, she doesn't sell them anymore, so I was like, okay, let me get these from Ulta, but they're not the same quality. I don't remember the company that my friend was selling from, but I'll find out and I'll leave it in the description down below. But these are from Dashing Diva and you can see my nails. So it's this one and it's just, it's so thick, the sticker, that you can't apply it nice and smoothly. And it's very hard to file down because it's so thick. It's just, I struggled with these so much this morning. I spent like half an hour trying to make these work. They're just not an easy application. Whereas the other ones, you would apply the sticker and then you can just kind of tug at it, pull it off, and then file it down. It was a much thinner sticker, whereas these are so thick, it's just very hard to apply. And maybe I am doing something wrong. I actually ended up applying this nail polish afterwards. I took it off and this literally took me seconds. Like that's how life should be. You should, nails should not be your frustration. There are plenty of other things to worry about in life and nails should not be one of them. So I want to show you guys these two. So I'm not sure how long wearing these are because I literally just got them from Target and I applied them this morning, but it took me 2 seconds. 2 seconds to apply. Well, not 2 seconds, but it was definitely less than a minute to apply it on my nails here. This is a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. You are supposed to use this and then top it off with this. Okay, so now I've told you one product to watch out from and one product that's really good. Let's get back into what this video is actually supposed to be about. So in this kit, we have a whole bunch of things. We have skincare. This is their Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. It's a really beautiful bottle with a really nice detail on the cap. It has a dropper here and let's just see. And the solution is kind of opaque. Yeah, no like strong smell or anything. So what's in here is a high level of hyaluronic acid, which helps lock in moisture for 72 hours. And there's something in here that they call Chronolux Power Signal Technology, which helps increase the skin's natural ability for visible self-repair, with in vitro testing showing it promotes skin's natural renewal of vital new cells, boosts its natural production of collagen. Sounds pretty fancy, sounds pretty good. They did a 3-week test, which showed that 88% of women said skin looked more youthful. That's pretty cool. Skin feels firmer. 89% of women agreed. Skin looks healthy, has a new bounce and vitality. Pores look diminished. This bottle alone on its own is $75. I mean, this kit, it's not a lie when it says it's worth $455 because this one bottle alone is $75. And then they also have this advanced night repair eye cream, which has, I'm gonna try to take it out. Ugh. This is a pretty big bottle. If you were to buy this by itself, it's $64. This kit is a real good deal. Concentrated repair technology helps repair the visible impact of lack of sleep, UV, pollution, even blue light. It's proven to reveal a bright, hydrated, visibly revived look with comprehensive benefits for the eye area. It brightens dark circles in just 3 weeks. Wow. And it does have a whole bunch of awards listed. Sounds pretty good. This is what it looks like from the inside. It's a really nice gel creamy texture. But they're saying it's lightweight, so I hope it works out for me. This is Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. 0.5 ounce container. So 1 ounce is $58. This is 0.5, so it's about $29. This has something that they called Revita Key technology. They just make it sound so nice when they call it technology. And it has moringa extract. This silky soft, deeply nourishing multi-action cream encourages skin's natural power to amplify collagen and elastin. In just 4 weeks, 96% of women said that their skin felt firmer. And the testing was done with 107 women. Ideal for multiple signs of aging, loss of firmness, tone, lines and wrinkles, dullness, loss of radiance, dryness, dehydration. It won't clog your pores. And wow, this sounds pretty good. And it has the moringa plant in it. And moringa plant is considered a miracle tree and has been known for its exceptionally nourishing qualities for thousands of years. Wow, this is actually some really good stuff. It's really good skincare, and to get all of that at such a price, it's an amazing deal. Then they have this gentle eye makeup remover, and this is a huge bottle. I mean, I would imagine this would last you a long time, and it's oil-free. And I have tried it. It's definitely gentle. It's not something that is gonna take off like very heavy eye makeup with waterproof eyeliner or mascara. It's just something that's very gentle. If you're wearing a little bit of eyeshadow, like it'll take that off. So the rest of the stuff in here is makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my face and show you guys. So for the makeup, I've moved in a little bit closer so you can get a better look of the makeup. 2 lipsticks in here. Here's a red one and a nude one. This one first, it's called Knockout Nude. Pretty good formula. I would say a pretty standard lipstick formula. Very soft, hydrated look. I'd say a good lightweight lipstick. I'm not sure how long lasting it's gonna be because it's so lightweight and creamy. I would imagine that it would come off pretty easily from your lips. I actually want to try out the gloss, see how that looks. It's really cute. It has a little bow. It is very heavy. Not super sticky, but it does feel heavy on the lips. You can feel like, okay, I have all this product on my lips. But I don't feel like there's anything special about the gloss though, because my lines are visible. It's not like helping me reduce the appearance of lines on my lips. It's not covering them or anything like that. Go ahead and try out the red lipstick. It's called Envious. It's a good lipstick formula. It's nice and creamy. It gives your lips a really nice shine. So I feel like there's nothing like incredibly special about the formula, but it is a good lipstick formula. So it basically comes down to the packaging of, if you like the packaging of this lipstick. Here is the red lip gloss. Oh, and I got lipstick all over my hands. This is the shade Tender Trap. So it's giving like a sheer color on your lips. I'm really curious to wear test this. I'm not sure how long lasting this lip gloss is gonna be. I'm gonna leave the lip gloss on as I apply the rest of the makeup, and we'll see if it transforms into anything else. This kit had 2 mini eyeshadow palettes. There is a nude one right here. It's called the Nudes. And then there's one that called Glam, which has nice purple, blue shades in there. Yeah, I'm gonna create the look with the Nudes. I'm not really seeing this one on my skin much. Oh wow, this is pigmented. Let me take this one. Oh, it's gonna be too light. I feel like it's not gonna give me enough dramatic effect. And it's not really that pigmented. Red. It's not like amazing, but at the same time, it's also not like bad either, you know? It's like, it's okay. Still usable. I'm not sure how versatile this one is gonna be, so let me try out another look real quick. Since it seems to be pretty effortless, it's not taking that long. I would say it's a good beginner's palette. It's good to create a really nice, simple look. It's not gonna be a palette that's gonna help you create amazing, dramatic, beautiful, creative looks, but it's a decent palette. I don't see any fallout, you know, nothing. Some of the shades were not super pigmented, so it gives you a very subtle look on your eyes. Again, here's the Glam palette. So the colors in here are a little more vibrant. The shimmer shades are pretty nice. The mattes are okay too, actually. Let's take a matte one and apply it here. Look at that. What's interesting about these shades is they're very different from the ColourPop or any other recent eyeshadows that I've been using, in the sense that they're very packed in tightly. Usually when you're using, like, let's say ColourPop shades, you dip your brush in and it gets everywhere. They're very, like, they're not very tightly packed. These are really tightly packed. Like, you could really push your brush in there and nothing will happen to them. It's very a different formula from all the eyeshadow palettes that I've been trying recently. Great. I think it's good. Subtle, simple. It kind of creates a nice blendy look. The colors are just not highly pigmented. They're not super creamy. Your eyes are not gonna sparkle for the holidays. That's not the kind of look that these palettes are gonna give you. But they do give you a nice, subtle look. But you could create some pretty looks with these. Very curious about the mascara. Okay, so it's not super buildable. I would say it's kind of like in the middle. It's not super light, but it's also not going to give you anything dramatic. If I go in anymore, it's gonna start clumping. It's not a mascara that I would use at a special occasion. This might be something that I could use when I go back to the office. Last thing we have here is their cheek palette. Let's see how the blush is. I mean, the bronzer and the highlighter, I feel like, are pretty good. Pretty quick application, which I love. I don't want to be sitting here forever just to throw on a little bit of blush. Like it literally should take 2 sweeps and then you're done. I'm using a pretty cheap powder. This is the AOA powder from shopmissay.com. It's only $1, but it does the job. Like, I don't have any issues with it. All right. Yeah, the lip gloss is definitely, it's a no-no. I don't like the lip gloss. If you are going to use a lip gloss, just use it as a topper on the lipstick just a little bit. I would say my overall thoughts on the kit are 100% positive. The skincare alone is worth so much that if all you were getting was the skincare, then it still would be worth the money. And when it comes to the makeup, I would say the mascara is okay. If you were buying the mascara separately on its own, then I would say it would not be worth the money, because you can just buy drugstore mascaras that are better. The eyeshadow palettes, I enjoyed it actually. I feel like they're good palettes for a normal everyday person that's not trying to create really beautiful creative looks. Just a normal palette for everyday use, and if you drop it, it's not gonna fall apart because the shadows are pretty nicely compact. So they're not palettes that are just gonna ignite beautiful emotions in you where you're gonna be like, wow, this looks so amazing. No, but if you are an occasion, a dramatic then I think the eyeshadow palettes are nice. Just want to create the lipsticks are good. They are good formula. The lip gloss, I did not like the formula. I saw it starting to separate. It's just not a favorite. I do have some lip glosses, I feel like, in their other kit. I wonder how the formula is of the other lip gloss, but this one was all right. But the cheek palette was really nice. I feel like the blush went on seamlessly, easily. It's nicely pigmented. The bronzer was good too, and the highlighter is pretty nice too. If these products interest you, you think they might be useful for you, then go get it. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful for you. I tried to show you everything in detail so you can really see what the products are like. So I hope that it was useful for you. Thank you again for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button so that I know that you liked it. And if you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe. And hit that bell notification too, so you'll get notifications every time I upload a video, which is a lot. At least like, I mean, I'm a little inconsistent. Sometimes it can be as low as 2 videos, but sometimes it can be as much as 4 videos. So, all right, thanks, bye.